I'm Meryl Rose. If you file for workers' compensation, the case will sometimes go to trial. Here to discuss preparing for a workers' compensation trial is attorney Jim Higgins. Nice to have you with us.
Thank you.
So how often does a case like this actually go to trial?
Well, most of our work comp cases that we have, they do resolve. It may be a little bit in the litigation, but we've done this so long, our opponents have done it so long that we can usually determine somewhat of fair value. But not always, and that's what a courtroom's for. So probably maybe 20, 25%, 30 will actually go all the way through a trial.
What should a client expect if they go to trial?
Well, they always want to know how long it takes. If we have to go through trials where we're taking depositions and expert depositions and doctor's depositions, it'll take you about a year, maybe a little less, maybe a little more to get to court, which can be difficult. But it's a bench trial. Our judges are great around here that do them. It's a little bit more relaxed than some of the angry jury trials that we go through or have seen. But that's pretty much how it will run out.
If the client actually has to take the stand, how do you get them prepared for that? I would imagine that's scary for a client.
Well, and that's what we try to. I think knowing what to expect, you try to remove some of that anxiety. And so we practice. You practice at sports, you practice on a test, so you should practice before you go to trial. We want them to know what questions are going to be asked, what the judge is like, what to wear, how long it's going to take. So we'll usually have them come in. I'll run through the questions I'm going to ask them. I'll have one of my partners come in and cross-examine them. So when they get on that stand, they're going to be ready.
That's the best way to assure a good outcome.
I think so.
All right, Jim, thanks so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
All right, for more information on the Higgins Firm, you can visit their website at higginsfirm.com or contact them at the number you see on the screen.